common question is, can you paint a panel without blending onto the adjacent panels? Today we're going to do just that, and you'll be able to decide for yourself if it is something that will work for you, or in other words, be good enough for your daily driver. We'll be using Nason base coat, clear coat. We got the paint coat off of the car or the truck, and it's Victory Red. We're going to use a mid-temp reducer and the hardener that goes with it. We're also going to be using Select Clear from Nason. First, we'll blow the area clean and make sure we have absolutely no dust on the panel. Remember, most of all your dust in the paint job is already on the panel before you paint. And I can feel if there's dust. Trust me, you can feel if there's dust. And I have a real dry hand here, and I'm going to blow and wipe at the same time. And then I just wipe it on my pants right there, make sure all that dust is gone. And wipe, blow your hand clean, blow, wipe, blow your hand. One more time with the air nozzle, then a tack cloth. And now we're going to get a dust-free paint job. The first coat will be a light coat called a tack coat. The second coat will be medium to wet. And this will be the third coat of base coat. And now a couple of coats of clear, and again this is Nason Select Clear. And now for the last coat. After letting the paint dry overnight, we can unmask it and see how well it matches. Also, if you're interested, I'll list the tools, materials, and mix ratio in the description. Let me polish this up a little bit so you can get a really good picture if it really matches well or not. And here's a close-up shot of the two panels not blending the paint. You can see this is a little bit redder. This has a little bit of a rosy tint to it. If we would have blended and cleared both panels, they'd match perfect. But it could be just that this was wheeled out and this wasn't. I hope you enjoyed this video on whether or not it's absolutely necessary to blend paint. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.